Good day, viewers. In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to calculate a percentage discount or increase. Let's look at this question. 480,000 tickets. 480,000 tickets were sold for a tournament, for a tennis tournament last year. This represents 80% of all the available tickets. When I ask, calculate the total numbers of tickets that were available for this tournament. Can I go to the question again? 480,000 tickets were sold for a tennis tournament last year. This represents 80% of all the tickets, all the available tickets. Okay? When I say calculate the total numbers of tickets that were available for this tournament. Can we go to the question? Solution. When I say solution, how do we do it? Solution. Then remember, please like the channel, share, and subscribe to enable me grow my channel. Thank you. Then turn on your notification bell for more video. Thank you. Look at it. We said 80% of this represent according to the question, this represents 80% of all the available tickets. This represents 80% of all available tickets. That's 480,000 tickets were sold for a tennis tournament last year. They now tell me that this one they sold, that 80% represents it. We say this represents 80% of all the available tickets. That's 80% out of the all available ticket was sold. And the amount is a amount in a value is a 480,000. So what it means, it implies that 80% is applied to be equal to what? That generates 480,000. 80% generates what? 480,000 what? A ticket. Then now, this is in percent. You remember, I need to know what 1% will what represent. What will 1% out of this 80% will be what represent in the what tournament ticket. I will say 1%. What is 1%? 1% will give me, this is my reference point. My reference point is that 80%, that's what they told me, 80% of the available ticket, total ticket, was given what? Generated what? 480,000 what? Tickets. Then now, that's my reference point. This man, now 1% is my what? Comparing value. I want to know what 1% will be. Therefore, it will be what? My comparing value divided by what? 80%, which is my reference point, reference value. My reference value always divide. You remember, my reference what? Reference value always divide. Times 480,000. That means if this gave me this, then the comparing value, what is it going to give me? My reference value divide my comparing value, and that give me this. This will cancel. Percentage destroy percentage. I will now have that what? 1 all over 80 times 480,000. And that will give me, if I have that with my calculator, that will give me 480,000 divided by what? 80 That gives me 6,000 tickets. Then that's what 1% represents. So it implies that 1% will generate 6,000 tickets. Then now you remember that when a substance or quantity have not experienced change, it implies that it has 100% of its self. It's 100% of itself. Therefore, the available ticket is 100% itself. This available, the total available ticket to be sold. The total available ticket to be sold, which 80% of it was sold, is 100%. That means it has no change in its value. Therefore, it's 100%. Therefore, I'm going to say 100% of available ticket, total available ticket, 100% of total available ticket. What is it going to give me? That's my reference point now. Right now is 1% give me 600 tickets sold. Then 100%, what is it going to give me? Can you come over here? I would have said that this become my reference point. This become my my comparing value. Then my reference point always divide, which will be now 100% divided by 1% times 6,000, and that will give me equals to, this will destroy this, giving me 600 times 100 will give me 0, 0, 0. That's 20. That gives me 600,000 tickets. So 600,000 tickets was available to sell for the tournament. Why 80% of it constituted 480,000 tickets sold. So the remaining after 480 was sold will be, if we are asked to calculate the remaining, this is our answer. This is the answer for the question they asked us. But if we are asked to calculate the remaining tickets after we have sold the 480 tickets, where 80% represent these 480 tickets we have sold, then what remains out of the total tickets manufactured for the tournament? If we are together, I'm going to have 600,000 minus 480,000, and that will give me 600,000 minus 480,000, and that will give me 120,000 tickets was left after we have sold 80% of the total ticket, which generated 480,000 tickets. Then what is left is 120,000 tickets. But this is not the question they asked. What they asked us is what? The available ticket. The ticket that is provided to sell for the tournament, which out of it, 80% was sold. And that 80% that was sold was 480,000 tickets. And we have calculated it to have 600 tickets is what is provided for this tournament, this tennis tournament, to be sold. Now, if we are not asked, this is an additional question, if we are not asked to calculate what remains after the after we have sold 480,000 tickets out of the whole, what remains is 120,000 tickets. Thank you for liking this channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting.